Hey there, quick review on this Klein insulated screwdriver set. I'm not a professional electrician, but I am a professional carpenter. I have a shop, I have a home, and I often play an electrician when I need to. So if I'm gonna have my hands inside a panel, I like to have insulated screwdrivers. Now, you can buy a whole kit with a bunch of drivers like this, which I've obviously done, takes up a lot of space. If you want to have more of a dedicated kit that doesn't take up so much space, this is an excellent option. So you get a really nice sheath slash holster for your drivers right here. Looks nice, works really well. You've got your driver right here and then 5 interchangeable heads that are all slightly different. So we've got 2 heads that are longer, one Phillips #2 head and one a flat head. These are gonna give you, I believe, 5.5 inches of length right here. Now there are 2 other kind of heads. Now to get this off, you're just gonna rotate that and it'll come off. There are actually 3 other heads here, and these are flip heads, and they're not gonna give you quite as much length. If you want a little bit shorter driver, you're gonna get 3.5 inches of length with these, and they are flippable like so. Really good quality tool. You'll see the action as I twist this and the unit pops out and then it clicks right in place. So these aren't gonna pull out inadvertently. Just works really, really well. These are the various sizes that you get. Over here are your 2 longer ones, 1/4 inch flat and #2 Phillips. And then over here you have your flip bits right here, square drive #1, square drive #2, Phillips #1, a small 3/16 flathead. And then over here, your probably most common one is going to be your Phillips #2 and 1/4 inch flathead that can be flipped. I think the fit and finish on these is excellent. Just works really well. Klein makes great tools. So if I'm going to be messing around in an electrical panel or around some hot outlets, this is just a really great option to have in your kit. You can see these tabs fold over and kind of conceal the ends so they're not poking out, but just a really, really nice kit altogether. So let's fasten it up here real quick. Really nice. You can have this, or you can have a whole pile of these. Pick your poison. Personally, I like to have both.